టిష్యూ పేపర్లా బాబీ టిష్యూ పేపర్
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जल वितरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जय गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय प्रकटने के लिए अपने अपने दाहिने हाथ ऊपर। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, माता जय। जय श्रीमान, श्रीमान, ब्रेक शुरू करने के लिए आपका अनुमति चाहता हूँ। जय श्रीमान।
It's time to honor the leaders to guide these rare and disciplined conditions. These commands are the backbone of our forces. Leading the whole parade, the parade commander, Sergeant and Bobby Abhishek. He has an exemplary record of service pursuing the third year of BTech in our college and C Cadet Senior, who has attended the PRDC-1 in NCC.
पूरा ब्रेक मध्यस्थ टेंशन।
His brave and disciplined actions are aided by the parade commander Sachin and Bobby Abhishek. He has an exemplary record of service pursuing the third year of BTech in our college and C Cadet Senior, who had attended the PRDC-1 in NCC. Now I would like to take a moment to welcome our esteemed guests who have honored us with their presence today.
Good morning to everybody. First of all, happy Independence Day to all. This is the 78th Independence Day. We are very fortunate that so far many independence. Our forefathers paid the sacrifices and to get this freedom from the British. So, as we are know that on this day, 1947, our beloved former Prime Minister unfurled the tricolor flag at the fort. Finally, we got decided that they declared that we got it. So, this is one of the historic day to commemorate the Independence Day. We honor the extraordinary for our nation has traversed towards the freedom and self-reliance. Today, the 78th anniversary of independence, we embrace the theme as Vikasit Bharat, meaning is developing the country, or developed country. The theme symbolizes the Indian government ambitious vision to transform our country into a developed nation by 2047, which is marked as Centennial Year of the Freedom. The significance of 15th August 47 is profound as it represents the dawn of new India's freedom from British colonial rule. This pivotal legislation granted the legislative sovereignty to our Indian Constitutional Assembly, leading to the birth of India as Indian independent nation state. With sovereign socially transformation era of Ambedkar, our nation is poised to embrace a future inclusivity and development with a vision set for the year 2047. This period marks a time of endeavor and ambition as we work collectively to elevate India to new heights of progress and prosperity. It is essential that one of us makes commitment to uphold fundamental duties and strive for excellence in every aspect of our lives, both individually as a community. By doing so, we assure that our nation continually ascends to greater achievements and reaches new pinnacles of success. Our constitution framed by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, our contributions and sacrifices are deeply valued, and I offer my sincerest wishes for your continued well-being and success. Together, let us embrace the spirit of momentous occasion and reaffirm our commitment to build a stronger and more inclusive India. May our collective efforts lead us to future filled with opportunities, peace, prosperity to all. Once again, happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir, for your invaluable message which presses the needs of the society. the problems that are faced by the society and reminding the citizens their responsibility to overcome those, to fulfill those needs. Thank you very much, sir. Now it's time for prize distribution. First prize in essay writing goes to D. Harshita, CSC 3rd year. D. Harshita, I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir and the other members to give the certificates and cash prize to the winners. D. Harshita, is she there? Harshita, CSC 3rd year. First prize in essay writing. Next, I. Sai Ishwari, drawing. U. Manikanta, technology. U. Manikanta, first prize in patriotic songs. Biotechnology, U. Manikanta, first prize in patriotic songs. C.H. Lohita, first prize in quiz. CSC 4th year, C.H. Lohita. U. Manikanta, Biotechnology, yes. So, V. Nagendra, MBA. Next prize, elocution second prize goes to V. Nagendra, MBA. V. Nagendra, second prize in drawing goes to V. Nagendra. Third prize to V. Nagendra, second prize in drawing, second prize in patriotic songs. V. Nagendra, second prize in elocution, drawing and patriotic songs. Next, V. Kavyasri, biotechnology, V. Kavyasri, second prize in quiz. V. Kavyasri, I. Kulashekar, A. Teja. Kavyasri from biotechnology, Kulashekar from CSC 4th year, A. Teja from MBA 1st year. Quiz, second prize. U. Suraj, MSc Zoology, third prize in essay. U. Suraj, T. Susila, P. Pratap. U. Suraj, essay writing, third prize. T. Susila, elocution, third prize. T. Susila from
తీసుకో మీ బ్యాచ్ లో తీసుకో
elocution, third prize.
ఇది ఉందిగా బ్యాచ్ లో థర్డ్